nostrils? Do you have any idea? How many nostrils do you have? Okay. Sit smartly. Thank you. So, brother Ustya, it's located near to B2. Say thank you. Okay. Right now, I am going to mention a name. Okay. Mustaqim, Mursalin, please come in. Now everything is ready for you. Sorry, what's your name? Sakin, come in. I'm extremely sorry because I forget your name. Go outside and take permission. Yes? Don't make noise because your classmate and your friend when he is giving answer, he is reply answer, you should not disturb. You should not disturb. Got it?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, dears. Yes, coming. You have to say loudly. Everything loudly, okay? Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Take your seat, sir. Say thank you. You are most welcome. What's your name? Sakin. Okay. Sit smartly. Sit smartly. Sakin, where are you from? You are from Bangladesh. Which part are you living? Brother Ustya. Do you know Brother Ustya? Yes. Do you know?
Yes.
Where is brother? It's located near to?
Yes.
It's located near to?
Yes.
It's located near to?
Yes. No.
It's located near to Khadanagar. Okay? Yes. Okay, my dears. I'm going to ask you. Any problem? Stop. I'm going to ask you some simple question. Are you ready, sir? Thank you. What is the Bangla meaning of face? Forehead, eye, nostril. Do you have nostril? How many nostrils do you have? You have 2 nostrils. I have 2 nostrils. I have 2 nostrils. Okay, my dears. Please. Okay. Finger. What does your father do? Do you have any idea? No idea. What does your mother do? Do you have any idea? Yes, my mother is a housewife. Sure. Stand here. Stand here. Look at the camera. Okay. What's your mother's name? Look at the camera. What's your mother's name?
My mother's name is Alia.
What's your father's name?
My father's name is Muhammad Nafis.
What is the name of your school?
My school name is Supernova School.
Supernova School. Clap for. Go and sit down. Please, sir, give it to me, my phone.